guys, so this is the entryway when it comes to going to the living room. So if you guys have watched my previous video of my living room update, so I used to have a rug right here, but I took it off because I kind of like the feel more of the wood floor. Eventually I do want to get like a little bench right here. I haven't been able to get that. So right now I don't have anything. I just have Bella's food right here. The only change that has happened on this side is this coat rack. I mean, I don't know exactly what it's called. I got it at Amazon and I'll link it down below for you guys. So I just put this on not that long ago and I like it right now for my hats. I am going to be hanging my purses eventually. I think that will look really cute with the little bench right here. And then once you walk in, I still have my palm tree. I always switch this palm tree because I haven't got one that is going to go exactly in here. At first I wanted to get a real one, but I feel like it's not going to have enough light to survive, so I have to buy a fake one. But I want one that is really tall, so it gets up to like maybe up to here. So right now I have this one, but this one is the one that I usually have in my background when I film, which is on my filming area over there. And then once you walk more in, I have this little rug right here. And then what's also new is I have these throw pillows. I got these from HomeGoods. And then I have this little base. It's also from HomeGoods. And then I have my mirror, my full-length mirror. And this one is from IKEA. And then I have this little candle holders. These are from Goodwill. And then I have this little also candle holder. This one's so cute. Like at night I turn this turns on. It's with batteries and it looks so cute, and then it also looks really nice, like super cozy with this string of lights that I put in here. And these are from Michaels. Let me just give you guys an overview on this side how it looks. It's like my favorite little spot right now. And I just got this from Target. If I could find it, I'll leave it down below for you guys. I think it just looks cute. So see why I want a bigger palm tree? Because I want my palm tree to kind of like hide this right here. It's something that I don't need or basically really use. It's attached to the apartment. That's the reason why I want a bigger palm tree eventually. Hopefully I'll get one that is like this tall. And then we move on this side. This is almost the same. It just has changed a little bit, just what's on top of it. So this is supposed to be, I don't know, it's not, I don't think it's supposed to be a TV stand, but I use it as a TV stand. And it's also from IKEA. Most of my furniture is from IKEA. Those baskets are also from IKEA. And then what has changed on the top is this little corner right here. So before I used to have like a different setup, and now I like this more simple. I think it looks nicer. So I just got this, what is this called, money tree. I have it on top of 2 books. I actually got on my Goodwill. And then I have this little elephant, and it's purple because my favorite color. And then I just have my TV. So let me show you guys from this side so you guys can see better how that looks. I still don't have nothing on top of here. I do want to put some frames. I still don't know what. That's why I haven't put anything there. Hopefully the last update that I do with my living room, there's something here. And then on the side, I have this little basket. I don't know if you can even see it, but there's a basket there. And then I have a throw blanket, a throw pillow, and then these are supposed to go on the wall, but I just put them there and I think they look nice. I was just trying to place them somewhere for now until I basically put them on the wall, and I never did, and I just feel like it looks good. And then I have another plant right here. I honestly do not remember the name of this plant, but it looks cute right there. And also I feel like I want to put like a frame here with something. I don't know yet. But I just don't like how all of this is like blank. Like there's nothing. We need something there. So if you guys have ideas, let me know, because honestly, I don't know what to put there. Okay, so let's go, I guess, to this side. I'm trying to film this fast because the lighting here is natural right now, and I don't want to put like my lights up. It just feels like it looks better with natural lighting. But see, I don't know if you guys could tell, like it goes down and it goes up. Okay, so this area is most of my favorite area because as you guys could see, it's like where I have all my plants and they just look so cute, and I just love this area. So I have this chair right here. It's like a rocking chair, and I got this from Craigslist. It was super cheap. And I also have some throw pillows. So this one right here is from Society Sits. This one is from World Market, as well as this one. The throw little kind of like, it's like a throw little, I don't know, rug. So that one I got it at Marshall's or Ross, I forgot. And then right here are all my plants. I'm not gonna go in detail with my plants because this is not completely set up how I want it. Once this area is done and my plants are all like done how I want it, then I'm gonna do a dedicated video for all my plants. Right now this is just an overview how they look at the moment. And then on top of it I have this frame, and then I got this at Etsy, the print picture poster, I don't know what it's called, but I got it at Etsy. And then the frame is from Goodwill. It was only like $3, guys, and it's huge. I don't know if you guys could tell like how big it is, but it's big. I really like that. And I have more of those little, I guess they're kind of like called like baskets, but they're not. Honestly, I don't even know what these are called, but those are the ones that I have in the other side next to my TV. I just put them there because it was just so blank. I just needed something there, and I feel like it just goes all together. And then I have my other plants over here. So this area is also gonna change eventually. Either gonna get more plants here, or I'm gonna make this like a meditation area because I do want to have somewhere where I could meditate. I've been starting to do that lately. So I don't know yet what's gonna happen here, but I don't like it that it's so like open, blank. There's nothing more here. Like I want it to be something there. So right now I have my plants, and if you guys have watched my previous video, look at my elephant plant. My poor baby lost 2 of the biggest leaves that it had, and I'm so scared that it's gonna die on me because look at that one, how it's like drooping. I'm trying to make it, you know, last another year because I only had it for a year, so we'll see an update on this one. Hopefully there's another leaf come out like the big ones. And then in the bottom I have my other plants. This is my rubber plant, I think that's what it's called, and then my snake plant. And then the baskets are all from HomeGoods. HomeGoods should seriously sponsorship my videos because, you know, everything's from HomeGoods, most of it. And then on this side I have this little side table, and this table is from Ross, and then I have a little tray on top of it, and this tray is also from HomeGoods. So I like it because it's like, it looks kind of like rustic, and then it has like this little detail of like gold inside. And then I have this succulent in there, and then I have this like kind of like rock crystal, I don't know what it's called, and then I have this little box. There's really nothing in there, and then the peace sign because I always like to do that. And this is also from, all of these I believe are from Marshall's. And then on top, see, it's getting dark already. On top I already have, oh my god, I need to like cover those. I put this plant, I don't know if it's gonna stay there because see, the sun is hitting it, so I don't know how bad that is. If the sun hits a lot, like I don't want it to die. So for now I put it there and we're testing it out. But that's my ivy plant, and then I am gonna change the planter too because I don't like the color. And then eventually on this area I want something big here, so maybe another mirror, I don't know yet, but we have to put something big here. And maybe I would do like another planter hanging, in this area. And then I wanted to show you guys this because I didn't have this before. So let me see. So I do live in the bottom floor, and what sucks is before I couldn't open my windows because everyone will like look inside, right? And I always wanted to have natural light. So what I did, I bought, I don't know if you could tell, so you can kind of tell on the top because I didn't put it on the top and it's not perfect. So I bought this like window screen. I don't even know what's called. It's from Amazon, and I'll link it down below for you guys. And it's like a privacy screen, so now I could have my window, see, it's completely open. I could have natural light come in, and it just, no one could see in, you know. And sorry you guys hear the paletero man in the background. I'm trying to film this quick before the light goes down, so I'm not gonna stop filming. I'm sorry about that. Oh, and by the way, I put this on all my windows. I also have it on that window, and that's why the curtains are open. I know you can't see that far, but I have it there that way, like the natural light comes in. So moving on, so now we're going to my couch, and my couch is actually gray. So you guys can see it's like that gray right there. I do have a lot of throw pillows in there, throw blankets, and I'm not gonna go too much in detail with this, with how I have it set up, because in my previous video I show you guys where everything's from and how I basically put it this way. So if you guys want to watch it, it'll be linked on the top for you guys, so you could check that one out. And then this is also new, so this was not here before. So I got this table made for me, so it's custom made from someone I know that makes tables. And I just think it's so cool. I don't know if you guys could see like the trunk is still kind of coming out. You guys see that? It's so cool, but at the same time it's kind of scary because this is really sharp, and sometimes I'm scared with Bella that she's gonna hit herself here. But I just think it's like so freaking cool, and it looks really, really nice. See, there's another one here. The color, I just feel like the color, I'm not sure with the color. I will want it like darker, so I'm gonna try to stain it. I'm not sure if I'm able to because I know it already has like the gloss in there, but I'm gonna try to see if I could stain it a different color, a little bit darker. And then the legs are just metal legs that I bought on Amazon. Oh, and then my rug, this is from Wayfair, because I've been getting questions about it, like where's my rug from? It's from Wayfair. And then in the table I have just 2 candles, you know, to put your cup holder. And then I have this little planter, those are fake plants. And then I have a little plant book. I don't know if I like this setup. This is just, I'm playing with it. I'm gonna see where it goes, and if I like it, I'll keep it. If not, like, this might change. Right now, looking at it in camera, it's not, I don't like it that much, but we'll see. And then on the top of my couch, I have this shelf, and it's also from IKEA. And then I have these 2 frames, and the pictures are also from Etsy. I am gonna change them because I don't like them. I like them for winter, but right now I don't really like how they look. And then I have this plant. This is a fake plant, not plant, like leaves, I don't know what they're called. These are from Michaels, also from Michaels, the magazines, Marshalls, a candle, and then planters from Marshalls. And then I just got this plant. It's so cute. This is a prayer plant. At night it goes to sleep, so basically the leaves go up, and I thought that was just so cool. It's kind of like praying at night. So that's what I have on the top. Eventually I do want to have maybe a curtain here because I don't like how those look. So I think that's what I'm gonna do eventually. Now on this side, I'm not really gonna go in detail because this is where I film. Like I said, I could do a separate video about my setup where I film, and right now it's not even like complete, but just so you guys kind of have an idea what's on this side. So in this corner, I did want to show you guys this because it's probably gonna change Right now I have Bella's crate. She was using it for a while, but she doesn't use it anymore. She never goes inside there. It used to be in my bedroom, but I took it over here, so I think eventually I'm gonna take it out and then put something else there. And I also have Ted on the top. I just can't seem to get rid of him. It just, I don't know, sometimes I'm like, I don't need this huge ass bear in my house, but I can't get rid of him. Like, he's just so cute. Oh, I didn't even show you guys, like I have a little poof right here. This one is also from Marshall's. So that's it for the update of my living room. And I think the last update that I'm gonna do is probably gonna be the final update, because it's just a little thing. It's just missing like a couple things, like I said, here, and some things probably here. So it's not missing too much anymore. It's almost completely done, but I really like how everything looks so far. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions where I got something, if I didn't link it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.